Unit 5, Writing Classes, Topic 5.9, This keyword. In this lesson, we will start by exploring the meaning of the keyword this, how its use can improve readability of our code, and when its use is required. Up to this point, we've used the keyword this to differentiate between instance variables and formal parameters that were given the same name. The keyword this refers to the instance variables. We will now evaluate object reference expressions that use the keyword this. Within a non-static method or a constructor, the keyword this is a reference to the current object, the object whose method or constructor is being called. The keyword this can be used to pass the current object as an actual parameter in a method call. Let's look at an example where the keyword this is used to improve readability. Consider the dog class with the isSameBreed method. It is a non-void method that is expected to return a Boolean value. Note that the parameter of the method is another dog object. When breed is used with the object otherDog, it is clear which object's breed is being accessed. In otherDog.breed, it is the other dog's breed that is being accessed. When we use breed by itself, it may not be as clear which object's breed we are trying to access at this point. We should understand that we're accessing the breed of the object that is calling the method isSameBreed. In this sample code snippet, the object dog1 is calling the method isSameBreed with object dog2 as a parameter. The green highlighted breed refers to dog1's breed. The orange highlighted breed refers to dog2's breed. Some programmers want to make it explicitly clear that at this point, breed is referred to the calling object's breed. They can choose to make it clear using the keyword this, where this refers to the object that is calling the method isSameBreed. In this case, the object dog1. It's important to note that this is optional. Consider the dog competition class. It has static methods. They each take in dog object parameters. Notice that the method awardPoints calls the other method isWinner, passing the object competitor as its parameter. At this point, your computer will run the method isWinner. The method isWinner is used to determine whether that dog object is a winner. The answer from the isWinner method will be returned to the method awardPoints. The method awardPoints will either return 10 if the dog object was a winner, or -5 if the dog object was not the winner. The dog class would like to use the method awardPoints to update its own score. Remember that awardPoints is a static method and is therefore called using the dog competition class, not a particular dog competition object. It is also important to observe that the awardPoints method requires a dog object to be passed as a parameter. In the dog class, the method updateScore is attempting to update the score of the calling object. The keyword this refers to the dog object that called the method updateScore, which in this code snippet is dog1. Let's practice. Solve this on paper to verify your response. What is the output after executing the above code? If you chose B, 35, you are correct. Let's look at what's going on. When object 1 is instantiated, its instance variable x is given the parameter value 33 to store. Note that the keyword this within the constructor refers to the instance variable x, and it is assigned the parameter value of the same name. If we were to visualize this, we could see object 1 pointing to a reference of type sample1 that has an integer variable x that stores the value 33. In the next line of code, object 1 calls a method increase. The keyword this refers to the calling object, which in this line is object 1. The method increases the value of x by the value of sample2.amount this. This, as a parameter, refers to the calling object, which again is object 1. Your computer will then go to the sample2 class, passing object 1 as its parameter. The amount method is a static method, which is why it is called using the class sample2. It will create a sample object called s, which is an alias of object 1. This means that it points to the same reference as object 1. s.getX is 33, which is greater than 10. Therefore, this method will return the value 2. The value 2 is returned back to be used in the method increase, where 33 plus 2 will equal 35. When the print statement is called to display object 1, getX, the value 35 will be displayed.